Hello, hello and welcome. Very good afternoon. You're seeing these live visuals of Prime Minister Modi there in Meerut. Of course, it's a very significant day. Prime Minister Modi is going to unveil a massive infrastructure push for Western Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister inaugurated India's fastest metro network, the Meerut Metro, along with the Namo Bharat regional rapid transit system, connecting Delhi to Meerut in record time. Together, these projects, worth over 12,000 crore rupees, promise to transform urban transport and ease travel for millions. With this, Meerut takes a giant leap into the future of modern mobility, marking one of the biggest infrastructure gift from the Prime Minister to the region. In fact, these are the visuals of Prime Minister Modi there, along with the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. They're, in fact, taking a stock of the entire project. Also, of course, getting the briefing. So, Namo Bharat corridor is being inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. It is going to, of course, reduce that time of travel for the passengers from Delhi, Sarai Kale Khan to Meerut, and then also, of course, a metro from South Meerut to Modipuram. So this is what two of the projects which Prime Minister Modi is inaugurating today, and the total developmental projects of worth rupees 12,930 crore. All right, two of CN News 18's correspondent are joining us at this point. Simran is joining us live from Sarai Kale Khan metro station. Earlier, she was bringing us the ground report from that corridor. Nivedita is also will be joining us from Modipuram. Let me quickly go across to Simran first. Simran, earlier you've showed us the inside of that train, and Prime Minister Modi, of course, can be seen in the visuals there with the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Tell us what you can bring for our viewers from Sarai Kale Khan and how it is going to change everything for the passengers in terms of travel time, the facilities which this corridor and trains are going to provide.
Well, absolutely, Arun. As in fact, the viewers can see in the images how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is actually witnessing all of that inauguration. While I'm here, it is very important to tell our viewers that the entire corridor of the Namo Bharat, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Meerut, which has 16 stations at present, it is going to be further now expanded. But right now, there are 11 stations at a 55-kilometer stretch that are operational. And this is the kind of quality of travel that now is going to be transforming the quality of travel that passengers and commuters from far off of the NCR regions have actually been doing. So this is going to be how exactly travel in the convenience which is going to now look like, even if you are coming from 70 to 80 kilometers far off. In this premium section, what you can see, there are enough facilities to either keep your bag and to also in fact have things to be hanged here. There is a charging facility as well, with also water bottles kept, and this is the kind of seating arrangement with in fact full leg space and a very comfortable ride to in fact the stations on this very network corridor. And some facts that I would also like to tell you about how exactly on a worth of 30,000 crore this entire corridor of Namo Bharat has been made. It was a plan, it was in fact a gift that was thought, a vision that was there in the year 2019, and now 7 years later this is going to be a further new boost in how the inter-transnet hub for the commuters and passengers is going to look like. Many people who are either going to the offices, for even those who are coming to the national capital for everyday wages, are going to be benefited from this. And while comfortable travel is going to be the real takeaway from this very flag off and inauguration, as 11 stations are already running, Arun, but now these 5 in all comprehension are going to be also further facilitating what really is in the metro. And now let me also speak to the staff which is going to be there. जैसे ये train RRTS के अंदर बहुत सारे sections हैं, एंड आप स्टाफ क्या पूरा टाइम जब ट्रेन चलेगी उसमें रहेंगे, क्या क्या पैसेंजर्स के लिए और चीज़ें माइंड में रख के केयरफुली इस चीज़ को डिज़ाइन किया गया है? आप किस तरीके की राइड हो सकती है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पैसेंजर सेफ्टी एंड कंफर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें अवेलेबल है. लाइक इन केस ऑफ एमरजेंसी हमारे पास सेफ्टी पर्पस के लिए पीकू है, लाइक पैसेंजर कम्युनिकेशन एमरजेंसी वाला, एंड फायर का ये एक्सटिंग्विशर्स है, एंड ईईडीज ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं फॉर एमरजेंसी. एंड एज ट्रेन अटेंडेंट वी आर वर्किंग एंड राउंड टेकिंग राउंड फॉर एनी
So any inconvenience, like we have a similarity with the flight. We also see the categories have been
Yes.
kept. So this is going to be looking more like premium and luxury
Yeah.
for the passengers,
yes
right?
yes
And there is a women section also, which is a mirroring to the facility that was started initially from DMRC.
yes from next to premium coach there is a woman coach.
And every train is going to have one reserved women coach.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
And see, Arun, that is also
Yes,
something
yes,
that we
yes,
see
yes.
a mix of both. Now, while we see a similarity with
Hmm.
the flight, and then we have a DMRC impact also, the effect very easily can be seen
So
here
it's
in
not
the
only Simran
recently
reducing
inaugurated
the
Namo
travel
Bharat.
time, but it will also, of course, have some of the highest orders of safety features, comfort, of course, all of that. Stay with us, Simran. We also have Nivedita joining us live from Shatabdi Nagar Metro Station in Meerut. Nivedita, what is the sense like that you get there in Meerut? Because the metro, access or the metro stations which people of Meerut are getting, especially from South Meerut to Modipuram, what is the sense like that you're getting, and how it is going to really help people there locally to commute through metro?
So I would like to first add to this that Shatabdi Nagar is not only a metro station, but it is also a station for RRTS train. So basically in Meerut, both the RRTS and the metro train will operate on same route and same track basically, and they will also share stations. So out of the 13 stations of metro we have here, which are inaugurated today, all 13 were inaugurated today, 4 will operate as RRTS stations also. It include Begumpur, Meerut South, and Modipuram includingly. And so basically when we talk about these things, this is going to make Meerut Metro the fastest metro in the country. So while one way with 15 stations between Sarai Kale Khan and Modipuram in Meerut, the commute between Delhi and Meerut will be east. This further is integration with the metro, Meerut Metro, will seamlessly allow passenger to switch between these stations without any hassle. So basically the same track from where the flame platform where the RRTS will drop the passengers, the metro can be taken from the same very platform without any walking or without any interchange that will be seen in the Delhi section. So here it is also convenience have been kept in mind throughout the designing. So basically you don't have to walk anywhere. The only difference between the RRTS and the metro trains will be is that the metro is 3-coach train and RRTS will have 6 coach, and as Simran said that it will have a premium coach and a women's coach. So there will be a total of 6 coach in the RRTS, while the metro will have just 3 coaches. So in terms of daily commute, this is going to actually transform how people are commuting. So far, the option for people going to Delhi or any part of Delhi from Meerut, the option was to take a private conveyance, which is otherwise very costly, or to take a public bus, which is congested, and it was almost impossible to board these buses during peak hours. But now you'll have a dedicated seat, you can get a comfort of long distance travel, and obviously time saving is there. One important factor is also that basically this particular entire corridor has been planned to keep in mind the medical patient traveling between the two cities. So there will be provision for stretchers also, or for wheelchair also. So in case any patient want to travel between Delhi and Meerut, they can easily use this infrastructure. So entire system was planned in a way to ease the journey for people commuting between Delhi and Meerut, and for a lot of people this is going to be a really game changer, because now they can reach their office in about 30-40 minutes, including the end journey, which was otherwise more than 2 hours. So yeah, it is going to be a lot of time saver for commuters, and this is really bringing Meerut closer to Delhi in every possible sense.
Yes, stay with us, Nivedita. In fact, we can see the visual there of Prime Minister Modi, of course, along with the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister there while he was, in fact, taking that briefing from the official. Let me also go across to Simran here. Simran, if you can tell our viewers for their benefit, of course, that how much time earlier it would take from Delhi to reach Meerut, and with this new Namo Bharat train, how much time it's going to reduce?
Well, absolutely. There's a major reduction that we see, and that is one of the key highlights that the commuters are going to be benefiting from. And that is why exactly this entire plan was actually set up in a line of a corridor where Sarai Kale Khan, which is the heart of the national capital or nearby that region, Hazrat Nizamuddin, which is actually a metro station as well. And also, given what you have asked me, let me also point it out how exactly the 16 stations actually look like from the national capital to these many stations that you see, that all of these actually lead to Modipuram. And from Sahibabad, which is also one station, and in Ghaziabad, that's going to be the midway. So commuters can, of course, from Ghaziabad board the same line, and this all the way goes to Meerut as well. So it's all there. And someone who's traveling from Delhi's Jangpura, southeast region, can travel to Modipuram in Meerut or all of these areas. In fact, either it's Meerut South or North, they can travel in less than 55 minutes. Earlier, it was from the road. The entire travel of 80 kilometers was taking because of traffic, because of, in fact, all the vehicular congestion as well for commuters,
Yes.
peak traffic hours, and also the pollution, Arun, that is going to be significantly see a very huge reduction as the metro network or this very comprehensive interconnected metro network, which is going to be a new addition for the commuters and also for many other people who have faced difficulty in operating through the roads because of the huge time constraint. This is going to be in fact more than half the reduction of the time it was going to take earlier, and that is why it is seamless,
Yes.
as many would expect it, but also coming how exactly it is very easily connected to the metros, the DMRC, the bus connectivity that is at Sarai Kale Khan, and also, in fact, the kind of railway stations that we have nearby as well, given the proximity to the ISBT as well. So, no matter where you are coming from in the national capital, from whatever mode you are taking, either you are coming from bus, metro, or even, in fact, railways, you can actually take this metro, and in less than 1 hour,
Yes.
you will
And-
be at the
and you know,
Meerut South
it's-
Modi Nagar,
Yes,
very western
absolutely.
part
And
of the Uttar Pradesh. And
there are people, Simran, who in fact work in national capital region from Meerut. They stay here, they stay on rent, and with this facility, of course, where they can reach Meerut in 50 to 55 minutes, they can, of course, stay with their family. So this is going to be a huge relief for the passengers. Thank you so much, Nivedita and Simran, for joining us and giving us that ground report. With this, we're heading into a small break. News and updates continue on the other side.